এখন যাচ্ছি আমি আগ্রা ফোর্ট দেখতে। চলে এসছি মোটামুটি আগ্রা ফোর্ট।
This Agra Fort built by Akbar, Akbar the Great. थोड़ा सा Man in Transgate, they call them Amar Singh Gate. This fort built by Akbar, Akbar the Great, third Mughal of Empire. Agra fort is very big, minimum 2 miles, but 50% Indian army occupied and 50% often for the tourists.
উনি গাইড, উনি যা কিছু বলছে আপনারা শুনুন, আপনারা ভালো লাগবে। বলি
Agra fort surrounding double wall, inner wall 40 feet, out wall 70 feet. But other side not any kind of wall. Other side very deeply mud. Crocodile snake living there. Nobody come to inside security purpose. So this is a very beautiful monument, just like a Akbar residential part. So this fort built by Akbar, Akbar the Great. This is before this fort is a called name Badalgarh. There's a Hindu king living there. But after Akbar came to here, then between both fighting and Akbar victory. So this is a Akbar residential part. Thank you. 1565 and complete 1574 within 9 years built by Mughal Emperor Akbar. Akbar had 3 wives, 3 queens. First wife, Hindu wife, she came from Rajasthan, sister of Raja Man Singh, it's a column Jodhabai. Second wife, Mariam, come from Portugal, Portuguese, she's a Christian. Third wife, Turkish Sultana from Turkey, she is Muslim. So king had a 3 wife, king and 3 wives, but didn't know any child. So Akbar very worried about for the child. So Akbar went to the Fatehpur Sikri, 50 kilometers from here, because during that time there Muslim saint, holy men living there, Muslim Sikhs selling Chusti. So Akbar went go there, demand 1 son for the prayer for the wish. So first wife, Hindu wife, she is pregnant, and after 1574 within 9 years, but 4 king living here. So this building completely 95 years. This is the man in Transgate. This is a mosaic work for
ये एंट्रेंस गेट।
yeah, man in Transgate.
Okay.
There's a column mosaic work over there.
ऐसे बाहर देखो और एक बार ऐसे बाहर ही देखो
বাহ কি সুন্দর।
So this building completely 95 years.
95 years।
95 years. 4 king living here, generation to generation.
उधर वो बीच वाला बंद है ना
Just like the residential part, Taj Mahal, nobody living there. There is the king and queen tomb, but every king living here. This way go to the horse's way.
चलो
अब इसको गाइड ने बोला इसको 950. हम तो भैया जायज पैसे लेते हैं, और वो क्लाइंट की खुशी है, वो हमें दे दे हमारे बच्चों के लिए।
আমি যে গাইডটা নিয়েছি ওনাকে আপনি নিতে পারেন কম টাকা, আর এখানে গাইড নিতে গেলে 1000-2000 টাকা চাইছে। আপনি ওনাকে নিলে আপনি অনেক কম টাকা দিয়ে আপনি ঘুরতে পারবেন, সবকিছু আপনাকে বলবে। ও ঠিক ঠিক।
It's the name Jahangiri Palace. Akbar's son living here.
ওকে।
But I told before, King Akbar like all religious. So this you see to the top is a Muslim construction like a mosque. Over there 3 star of the Jews. We into two inside like a door like a church. Between both place like a Hindu temple. So they give him all construction here.
Okay.
That's why everybody say Akbar the Great. This is the great king.
Okay.
This is a bathtub. This bathtub give him for queen brother is called him Raja Man Singh. They give him as a gift for the Jahangir. So that time there's a fill in the fill Kohinoor diamond.
ये बात तो
Yes, but this is the one single piece is not joined. So this butter given for queen brother. For उसने अपने
ये बाथटब का मटेरियल्स कौन सा है?
ये गुरारा लोकल स्टोन इन आगरा.
দেখেন কি সুন্দর বাথটব। अरे यार चलिए पता है ना?
ये जहांगीर को उसके मामा मान सिंह ने एज ए गिफ्ट दिया था बचपन में.
वाह
बादशाह. You see the top, many windows that time. Every windows, one lady standing over there. Anybody coming, they ask permission after go inside the courtyard. Permission. Namaste. Both side servants living here. Jalaluddin Akbar aa rahe hain.
ओके
Jalaluddin Akbar aa rahe hain.
আচ্ছা ওনার কথাগুলো আপনারা শুনুন, আপনারা সবকিছু জানতে পারবেন। কারণ আমরা তো এই সমস্ত ইতিহাস আমরা সেরকম ভাবে জানা নেই, ওনারা অনেক কিছু জানে, ওনাদের কথা শুনুন।
Note your condition. First grow sun.
Very
So hot,
nice.
and that start feeling cool.
বিল্ডিং
And to the top, one lady is standing, king sit over there, three queens sitting over there. Every 2 nights they can see beautiful female dancing hall.
ওরে
here.
বাহ,
Amazing. You see many rooms to the top,
দিস এরিয়া ডান্সিং।
dancing, and to the top, lot of haram ladies sitting over there, watching dance.
খুব সুন্দর।
That's a beautiful library, books library.
ये बुक्स लाइब्रेरी।
Yeah, Akbar Son Jahangiri Library.
वाह
Because Akbar Son Jahangir, very very interested, read the book, Quran book, Bible book. So they keep for this way.
मुझको भी पानी दे दीजिए।
भगवान आपकी सारी विश पूरी करें. Paint like a beautiful copy design. This is a real painting. This is a study room.
বাহ
Jahangir study.
খুব সুন্দর, দেখবার মতো জিনিস।
How you decide, please?
ये किया
Have you seen that? This is a water tank. Hall palace is water coming underground. You can see the hall goes to the outside for raining timing.
বাহ
But I told before, other side very deeply mud. As over there is a very beautiful view of Taj Mahal. This side, this window.
হ্যাঁ। আমি যতটুকু পারি আপনাদেরকে কভার করে দেখাবো।
Dada, Dada.
হ্যাঁ ইয়ে
Amazing
কি সুন্দর
view. Taj Mahal.
তাজমহল।
Beautiful. There's a very deep more this side. Crocodile snack living there. Nobody come to inside. Security purpose.
ये किया
Shah Jahan ka house. Who built Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan living inside.
1628, 1630.
Yeah, Shah Jahan Palace.
Okay.
This is Shah Jahan bedroom. Oh, sorry, Shah Jahan summer palace. So summertime Shah Jahan living here. This is the made by plaster Paris. Feeling cool.
Pasta. ওরে বাহ,
Feeling cool. Plaster Paris. This is the Hava Mahal.
ওরে বাহ,
Hava Mahal Wind Palace. When king sit here, see the Taj Mahal and remembering her wife Mumtaz. Over there, open here, fresh air come to the inside Wind Palace, Hava Mahal.
इसको हवा महल बोलते हैं ना.
You see the hall. Here is the hall. Please. Here, not a hall from here.
अच्छा
Because that time Shah Jahan sleeping here and he will come to meet for the king.
अच्छा
So Shah Jahan have a Kohinoor diamond. Somebody have a coins. They throw the coins. Coins fell down. Shah Jahan thinking anybody want to help for me.
अच्छा.
This purpose. Secondly, for air condition. Feels air. I told before. Who built Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan, 2 daughters. Because 4 daughters delivering time had died. So 1 daughter living here, another daughter other side. But 2 daughters never to marry, look after father. So it's a constitution like a Hindu wedding, palki shape. That time to the top is a gold. Now it's a brass. Because after British coming here, they stolen from here. Pictures this way. You were lucky you take pictures. No one come, please.
अरे वाह,
Beautiful. This is a Khas Mahal, king and queen bedroom.
ওরে বাহ,
And queen came from Persia, Iran.
কি কারিগর.
It's the roof look like carpet design, real golden painting. Real gold.
ये कहाँ से किया, ये कहाँ से आया ये पेंटिंग करने के लिए?
Real gold. Persia.
पर्शिया से.
Iran.
अरे वाह,
That time not a door, beautiful carpets hanging rugs.
क्या?
Carpet
अच्छा
in carpet here.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Then sleep, king and queen bedroom. This is all white marble. Came from Rajasthan, Makrana city, 460 kilometers from here. That time not any transport, all marble, bring by camel cart, by horse cart, by bullock cart, come to the here. This side, beautiful view. I take one picture for you with your wife, please. That time, this is the grapes garden, like Anguri Bagh. That time, no machine making the wine. Over there, too many rooms. They are making wine for Mughal emperor with help of Sir Rain. So that's a very beautiful vineyard, and that's a very beautiful area for here, just like a king walk here. That's a fountain. That time not electric, so the water just like a pump, pumping the waters supply whole garden. This side. That's a very important place.
क्या है ये?
8 years king living here, prisoner house like a Nazarband. King Nazarband here. 8 years and 1666 king had died here. After son bring dead body bring Taj Mahal. Because who built Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan. He want for black marble, but son not agree. So son on father put him here. It's a very beautiful, nice palace, like a prisoner home. यहीं पर 8 साल शाहजहां ने अपने दिन बिताए थे.
8 साल.
8 साल, 1666 died here.
जब बिल्डिंग लोग आए तो उसका नाम गेट जाती है
ओके
Secret tunnel. Shh, go outside.
সিক্রেট
Secret tunnel.
टनल ओ
Tunnel, yes.
ओ ये पर टनल है
Suring, yeah.
अरे वाह अभी क्या बंद है
अभी बंद कर दे। ये बाहर जाने का रास्ता है। गुप्त।
ये कहा जाते हैं ये सुरंग कहाँ से ये शेष होता है
ये ताजमहल जाता है।
अरे वाह
ये रहीना हो गया। This is the Meena Bazaar.
ये क्या होता है
During that time, royal family ladies came in this bazaar like a shopping. This
Acha.
shopping center.
Acha.
In this shopping center, not allow any man, only female allowed.
अरे वाह
So just like a female customer or also salesman customer, it's a beautiful bazaar. It's called a Meena Bazaar. Meena like a ladies, bazaar is bazaar. It's Meena Bazaar. But this bazaar only Friday. Other day no bazaar.
Oh.
Other day in the ground, very big fountain, many color fishes. To the top, queen sitting there and king sitting over there.
Oh.
So king and queen both of each other and play the fish catching play.